How you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never.
I need to light because I can't see. Dude, I am shining like a doggone chicken. My battery is low, so I have to charge it. When we get in the car, my battery is low. Anyways, y'all, we're at breakfast right now. We're currently waiting for some bacon to come out. It is a madhouse, as y'all can see. Oh, you want a car? Hope they got him a gourmet. I'll show y'all. Look at this. Look at this. What's that, honey?
Yep.
Oh, my God.
It's got healing powers, right?
Look at y'all. I got a muffin, and I'm getting some bacon. That's all I want this morning. So, once we get done, I will check y'all back on our adventures that we're going to take today. So, hi, y'all. Hey, y'all. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is
150 feet. Turn right onto Showcase Boulevard.
Every time I try to talk.
Take the next right onto Showcase Boulevard, then turn right onto South Perkins Road.
Did she say South Freaking Road? I thought she said South Freaking Road. Anyways, we are heading over to some spot. Y'all will see when we get there. And we are getting on the infamous road. Lights are all working today, so we're good.
Might not be good. Well, these folks drive.
Yeah, that's true.
Running red lights and all this stuff.
That is true. But anyway, I just wanted to open up the vlog this morning, and this is day 3 of our trip. We will be leaving tomorrow to go back home. We have to check in a little bit on the app to confirm our spot. And yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get to the when we get to the spot. Right here is where it happened. Oh. Parked right over there. All right, let's go, y'all.
In the blue.
Oh, that's where we're at. And we're walking where?
So we're over here and we're walking over here. So this trail actually goes down pretty far. Wow.
We're not walking that far.
No, we're just walking over here.
We're gonna walk to Arkansas, y'all. But I don't think I can take that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
That's just pretty cool to see.
Okay. Poshmark opens from 6, close at 10. Must be off the bridge about 10 p.m.
Oh wow.
There's a gate right here. The Jurassic Park gate right here.
It is a Jurassic Park gate. So this gate is an automatic thing. Oh, that's pretty cool.
That is cool.
If the gate is locked, push the button right there. So it's security wise, but you still get the. Oh wow, let me get in front of you.
1960.
Stay over here, babe. Babe, bikers are coming.
Coming.
Alright, go on in. So this is the bridge, y'all.
This is cool.
Whoa. I mean, I can't. Okay, nope. I can't be that close to the side. Wow. 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 Whoa. Y'all. Look at that view right there. Oh my goodness. Whew. Okay. A little anxiety coming in, just a little bit. There's the pyramid over there that we went to, the boat past Poshmark. I didn't realize it was gonna be this, babe. I'm okay. I'm okay. All right, guys. So we are at the Arkansas, Tennessee line here. Okay, right here. Boom.
Different states.
So hubby is over in Tennessee.
I miss him.
Oh, come back. And I'm in Arkansas over here, y'all. Y'all, look.
Oh, it might be garbage.
Wow.
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
That is pretty nice. Just floating right on through.
So there's a bridge over in, I want to say, France, where the
pushing all of that. Dark, y'all. Hey.
Hey.
We're taking a break. Somebody is tired.
Who?
Tired. So I'm good though. We can keep going. Like this way. But yeah, so we're in Arkansas now. I don't know what all is back that way. So we'll see. We'll check it out. But it's pretty cool to see everything. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So this is the view right here. The view is this. And then they got like tables and chairs and stuff.
We can go down a little further. There's the equivalent of parking for what we had over there. There's also restrooms too.
Okay, well let's guys. So here we are. West Memphis, Arkansas. Oh wow, look at that. How cool is that? I mean,
we should get one of those bikes.
That would be pretty cool, y'all. They got these bikes you can rent. But I want to rent the hello bird. Good morning. Good morning. People down here walking down there. Oh, that's where it goes.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You bring a little pad does that. That's awesome.
It's a bike.
Yep. Yep. Air pump.
That's cool.
All of that. Look at that, y'all.
There. That was there right there.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep. That's awesome. They encourage you to
That's cool.
fix your bike and stuff, y'all. That's pretty awesome. All right. We're going to keep walking. Oh.
Yep.
Oh. This is pretty awesome. Hey, Arkansas. We went to Mississippi. It wasn't Tennessee. Like, we took a whole trip in 3 different states.
And we're having fun in the other states.
Right. Hey, y'all. So we still going. We walking back across now. You see, that's how he looking, acting exactly how he sounded.
What?
So, anyways.
You don't breathe hard.
Boy, bye.
He's fogging up the camera and everything.
That's you. He trying to put something on me. I'm an athlete, okay? No matter how much older I get, I will always be an athlete. My body might not look like it, but it will be one. Okay? So, anyways, we're going back over the water and stuff, walking back now. So we did go to West Memphis, Arkansas, I think it was. Or West Arkansas, something like that.
What's that?
Yeah, West Memphis, Arkansas.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll catch y'all when we get back over to the other side. We just want to do a check-in with y'all and let you know that we're still going, y'all. And I'll give y'all the time and stuff when we get back. So, all right. Bye, y'all. Okay, guys. So we are almost at the point where we're done. It is 9:39. I have hit my walking goal for today. I have achieved it already. Look at that. Yes. It's a 6,000 a day. So I'm going to definitely have my goal 10K walks today. So, all right, we're going to get back into our rental. And I'll see y'all wherever we go next.
You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time.
All right, guys, we're about to get ready to go over here to this taco spot. So let's go see what they have because we're hungry. Yeah, you move up. Okay, so the place is called Taco. That's the name of the place right there. And then we're gonna order, but we're pulling up some. Right now, it's like right down the street from our hotel, like right there. Old gas station is their business space. So that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Oh, we gotta scan to get the menu. You gotta scan it.
Oh.
Oh. I think I might get one of those too. I don't know how much they are. Alright, so their menu is online, so you scan a QR code to get the menu. I'll show y'all what we get when we get to the room. Alright guys, we are back. Hubby has entered his hand, opening my drink. He's working on his now. He might have it. So here is mine. I got two ensadas. I don't know how to say it. Anyways, I got asada. There we go. Tacos there. Cool. Y'all heard that? Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. He got it. And then we got food left over from last night. Got a sweet potato pie that I'm gonna eat. And I got a little bit of, well, y'all seen what we had, you know, that little bit left over. So we was like, well, we'll just add something fresh on top of it. This is his, oh, that look like a brownie. Oh, wow. Yeah. And then he's got his, we're gonna look at his and see what he got real quick. And then we're gonna eat, y'all. Because we ain't doing else today until later on tonight.
We're scared of Memphis.
We are scared of Memphis now because the hit and run yesterday. Shoot. This is the place. I think I might have showed y'all. I'm not entirely sure. Ooh.
I got a shrimp and a steak.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Back up just a little bit, babe. Just a little bit. There you go. Perfect lighting. Yeah. It looks good. Mine looks bland, but it's okay. I'm okay being simple. All right, we about to smash. Bye. You want to talk?
When you say smash, what do you mean?
This food.
Oh, okay. You have to clarify that because these days that has more than one.
All right, I'm gone, y'all. Bye. All right, guys, we are heading to the hotel now. We are actually going to the Hilton right there.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
I don't know, me and hubby think it's like a Corvette thing going on, unless some of these your drivers coming up here. Oh, these your drivers coming up in here. We're going to that hotel right there, guys, for the banquet. So
Take the next left, then turn right.
yeah, I'll see y'all when we get in there. It might be a Corvette convention, babe. Look at all them cars over there. A whole bunch of Corvettes and stuff all up and through there over there, y'all. Oh yeah, it definitely is a Corvette convention going on over there. We'll have to drive in there. We can just go straight. Hold on, baby girl. Wait a minute. It is, y'all. A whole bunch of them over there. Sitting out there with all that Corvettes.
Then turn left.
Oh, that's Benihana's right there, babe. Oh, okay. Look at that. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna turn around.
Take the next right, then turn left.
Yeah. Hotel is right there, y'all. So they got up.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
Gate at the hotel over here.
Hey, guys.
With a booth.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right, y'all. Bye to the
Take the
hotel.
next
We
left
leaving.
onto South Perkins Road.
It is Sunday. We are getting ready to head to return the rental and going to get gas first, and then return the rental and go back to the airport. It is currently 7:51 a.m. We're getting there a little bit early, a lot of bit early, 3 hours early because of the incident.
The dimple in the car.
The hit and run we had. So just because we don't want to make no issues and want to make sure we get to our flight. Our flight doesn't load till like 10:40. We already checked in, but still, I don't want to take no chances. And yeah, so we're gonna go get gas now. Oh, there we go. Don't miss that. Not gonna miss that.
In 600 feet, turn right onto
Pretty sure we'll get something to eat at the airport. I'm
Take the
hungry.
next right onto American Way.
But I'll probably give me some Starbucks too when I get in there, because I haven't had coffee the entire time.
Oh, you did good, babe.
Whatever.
Continue on
So
American Way
yeah, I'm
for
gonna get me a
1.5 miles.
if they, I don't know if they've had one, because I'm just saying Atlanta Airport. Atlanta Airport has a Starbucks, but I don't know if their airport has a Starbucks.
Understood. I would think that since start
A Deja Vu.
Deja Vu right
Is that
there.
that's a strip club?
Yep.
Oh, interesting. They got strip clubs everywhere.
It's
in
a
Memphis.
shake 'em off club.
Shake it, mama. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Every stop. Anyway, this Sunday. We stop.
Hold on now. Hold on. I don't have no money.
Here you
already
go.
did it.
Anyway, I will check y'all when we get to the airport. Bye.
What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? What's the chance you're putting me out? What's the chance I'ma hear? I don't love you, don't wanna lose your love, and you don't wanna let go. What you do? What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth?
Bye-bye, security check. Bye-bye. All right. Well, the Starbucks is... Where is Starbucks? What's this?
Starbucks.
Where is it at?
Rotunda Center.
Where is the Rotunda Center? Wait, where are we at?
Okay, we're up here.
Oh, wow.
Our gate's right here. So Starbucks is straight down. So all we gotta do is just walk straight down. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, Starbucks. I'm gonna get it.
I do. Okay. So, look at that. I don't want to memory. I got the car and everything else. That's enough. Enough memories for me. So, alright, so we are gate 5. Also, hey, we are at, our gate is number 5, which is about to pass it. Huh?
It's a flower made out of football.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's cool.
That's real cool. Yeah, we can get something and come back here and eat it. All right, y'all. So it was a football sculpture right there, made out of football, like a flower. Anyways, we're gonna get Starbucks because need some coffee. This airport is completely empty, but y'all, we will talk to y'all a little bit about our security checkpoint. Craziness. Anyways, let's get some Starbucks, y'all. Bye. All right, y'all. So we got through everything. I finished my cheese Danish. Hubby is eating his impossible croissant. You like it? Okay.
Not a croissant. It's just a roll. This is not what it is.
Anyways, y'all. So I got me some coffee for the first time on the trip. It is a caramel macchiato with almond milk because they didn't have any oat milk. So I just got it tall because I didn't want my stomach to be bubbling and stuff, you know. We don't want none of that. But yeah, so I got this shirt from, oh no. Sorry, the little boy over there fell and smacked his face on the ground. I'm guessing he was running. I don't know. But anyways, I got this at Five Below. What the Five Below? Five Below. So, love it. So anyways, we're waiting. We got time, y'all. It's 9:06. But we got too bad. Our plane was aboard till 10:40. So, we're still good. But I just want to check in with y'all, let you know what we're doing, which is just sitting here. My hair lasted from last night, which is pretty good. Edges are trying to grow back, so that's good. A little bit. We'll see if I can get something to help them grow. But, alright. Well, I will talk with y'all later. What is this coming in? What? Look at that. Bye, y'all.
I see you smile at me, and when you are near, I feel so damn happy, 'cause I would love to, yeah. I would love to. Become. I would love to. Ooh, my soul's alive when I get up in the morning, yeah. Ooh, yeah, my soul's alive, but still it tells me this one. Follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, ooh. Follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, ooh. Follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart,
Woo. Hey guys, so we are back home now in hubby's car. We are gonna go get something to eat. And honestly, y'all, I'm just gonna close out the vlog for today. I don't know, I probably didn't record a whole lot. I don't know, I might add some more in there, but if not, this is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these type of videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. And don't forget, as always, keep the hope, keep the faith, and keep praying, guys. I will catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.